Guys, in today's video, I'm basically doing a road to do rip shotguns. Now, basically, I did lose my blue eyes a couple of days ago. No, actually, 2 days ago, because I'm too shocked. So, we're basically going to go to a game, a map, one town, actually. Alright, we have full lobby here. Alright, we have full, alright. Full one. Now, what should I do? Now, also, guys, thank you for all the support and, comments and all that. So, basically, guys, I don't know when, but basically, I feel like doing a room tour. A room tour? I never seen a room actually. So, yeah, I feel like doing a room tour because, kind of like, my room isn't that good right now, but, I'm actually going to make it better, because I am going to move a little bit of stuff. Now. Where should I swear to God, homie, you better not hit the box, homie. That's just too moving. Let me see the range. Oh God, we have a beginner here. Now we have a beginner here, Daddy. Daddy, we have a beginner. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Christ! Sorry, because our religious stuff. So, like, what I was talking about, like, the new house. Whoa! Alright, so, yeah, now, I feel like bringing back a couple of series that I actually done. Like, on my other channel did get hacked. Now, I kind of feel like bringing back Minecraft. Yeah, that's what Minecraft is. Basically a Minecraft series that I've done, and it wasn't really successful. Now, I would have a world. Now, really, homie, you're really in the box right now. How many hacks did this homie use? How many hacks, bruh? Bruh, how many hacks do you do? Bruh, how many hacks? Bruh, you're such a hack! Alright, so, basically, it's round 3 right now. Basically, Treyarch, why? Why Treyarch? Why did you give that guy first box scroll for, I think, GM Final Mail? He got the ray gun! First freaking try. I think that's kind of too OP, if you actually think about it. He got around 2, I think. Hey, stop doing my kill again, you have no ray gun. That's not cool. Well, the people that steal my kills, I don't revive them. Only if it's custom games. Where's public I have to revive him for the problem? So, oh my God, touch the kills! Move up the way! Let's see the kills, please! Please, stop stealing kills. Alright, so I think I'm gonna for Juggernaut. I'm not the most points here, but alright, I'm gonna buy Jugs. I'm gonna buy Jugs. And yeah. Bruh, this guy went down he had a ray gun. What the? Really? Did you? I really need an MP5. Oh, I have enough to buy an MP5. Buddy. Yeah! Alright guys, I'm basically right now going to hit the mystery box right now. Should I do mystery boxes or buy don't tap? Alright, what you gonna get, homie? I'm the only one with no ray gun here! And the first gun in the first try! I'm the only one with no ray gun here. This is like I'm sad. You know what? Well, I don't need a ray gun to survive. I don't need one. Look at this YOLO swag and everything. YOLO swag and everything. And the first gun in the first try, so I don't need a ray gun. I'm a man. You know how to say? I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man. Yeah, that's it. Homie! Homie, are you... Oh my god, you have a ray gun. Buy Jug, man. I know you won't have enough, but at least save some points up. This isn't forward. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video, but not right now, but when I get my gun. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh! MLG Pro. ML. Should I pack punches? What I do if I were you guys, if you guys had a ray gun, I use my secondary gun. Like right now I have a Galil. I only use it just because high rounds. It's not a really high round. I'm gonna use my MP5. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, welcome back. Now, which gun am I gonna get? Oh, I got two good guns, boy. Well, let me hit again for monkeys. It's a monkey, not a teddy bear. Now I have the RPD now. I think the RPD is a slight stronger. But I still think my beautiful Galil is awesome. If there was my favorite game on Call of Duty Black Ops 2, that has to be Zombie. Like fun game mode zombies. Games that, like, has to be multiplayer. I don't like the campaign that much, just because I'm a futuristic campaign. I'm not one of those people that, really? You have a ray gun, man. Really, you literally have a ray gun, man. Look, here's a tip while you're riding with someone, press Y, get your gun out. Alright, back punch? Nah. I'm actually gonna buy some double taps, so yeah. Alright, so yeah guys, now, I don't get it. I have 0 downs, RPD Galil, both have ray guns, they both have downs. I don't get it. I'm not saying they suck, it's just, they do have a, they have ray guns though. They just have the trolling machine. I think one of them, dude, I swear to God, I'm not lying to you guys, but one of them, I don't know which one, but, no, not this lobby, but somebody else, when I was in the lobby playing zombies, this guy, I was the only one with no ray gun, and guess what? This guy said, wow, dude, you suck, mate, come on, get a ray gun. And then they all had downs, and then, you know what I did? I didn't revive them. And they were like, please, man, I'm sorry. I'm like, no, you be mean to me? No revives. And they had all their perks and all that. sexy. Oh no, this is about to be buried here. Alright, oh my god. I really need a rose. Alright guys, I have my pack punch glow. So yeah, I got. Fine guys, whatever gun I get to pack punch. Good gun. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll pack punch it. So yeah guys, this is too insane. Oh my god, guys, I thought that would have been clutch right there. Hey, it's at least my first down, man. So if you guys do enjoy this episode of Road Double Road Shotgun, so yeah, so I'm just gonna send a message if like you know I have a YouTube channel and all that. So yeah, so you guys are gonna have like the 2 messages prepared at least. Alright guys, so if you guys do enjoy, so yeah, you're gonna play some multiplayer, so basically, I just sent a message, it was saying like, is it okay if I could put you on, like, telling them like, I did a YouTube video, and like, what's my YouTube channel, so, yeah, if they could be in some videos, because I've been doing mini games on, like, some stuff, like, multiplayer and all that, so you guys do enjoy. So as always, just see you guys. Peace out.